Okay, everybody, in this video, just in case all the indicators do not load on the template, I'm going to show you how to load the indicators on the template from your navigator, okay? All right, so once you load your template on, to the, all these things, once you load your template on, if it comes up like this, it should come up with indicators on it. But if it comes up like this, then all you're going to do, first you're going to go in and enable your ZZ. Double click ZZ. We're going to change this one to red, this one to black. So red and black. Go to common, click the checkbox. Okay, now you got your still red and black. All right, this, we need the box around it. We need this to enable the EA, so the EA will recognize this. Okay, so we had to add the ZZ on. The EA must recognize the white box around the reversals. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the MAs in color. MAs in color. All right, the first one, go to common, check. Inputs, we're going to change this to 200. Exponential, true, false, false, push alerts, true. Colors, this is going to be white. This right here is going to be white. And this is going to be red. I'm going to change both of these to 2, all three of these to 2. All right. So now we got our 200, sell, buy. All right. Next, we're going to come out and do it again. MA in color again. Come over to common, put a check. Inputs, this time it's going to be 21. 21 linear weighted. Okay. Alerts on. False, true, false, and then push alerts, true. All right. So now colors, again, going to be white, and red. All 2s. Now we got that on. Okay. Next, we're going to have our MAC, the MAC, MAC. Double click, common, checkbox. Input is going to change this to a 21. Change that to 0. Linear weighted close. Change the 20 to 200. Exponential. Close. False. Where you want true for your alerts. Push alerts true. Shift 5. All right. Color. Make it white. And I always make mine a 2. 3 is a little too big for me. All right. Right there. So now I got that. So now I got my arrows. All right. So now everything is alerts. You have your alerts on for when the 21 changes colors, when the 200 changes colors, and when the both MAs cross each other. That should be all you need. Everything else should be populated. I'm sorry, the extra footer. If you want that, really don't need it because we don't use it in the equation. But if you just like to see it, extra footer. Gonna come over to common, checkbox, colors. This is gonna be a gold. This is gonna be none. None. I'm gonna make this a 2. Come over to levels, add a level. You'll see it populate here. Add a level. Make this magenta and one more line right here to make that solid. And it'll be there. We really don't need it if you don't want it because we don't use it in our trading equation, but it's good to look at to kind of get an idea, okay? Once you've got that, your chart is set up. Right click, templates, save it as your default template, okay? Save it as your default template. You hit save, and hit save. If you already have a default, it's going to ask you when you click default, do you want to replace it? You're going to say yes, okay? And your template will be set up. Then when you go back, now you need to go back on all your charts and right click, template, default. So it'll change to that template, okay? That's what we need to do. So that's how you create your template if it does not populate.